Have you ever thought of sticking a toothpick in your banana after this video? You're going to be saying to yourself, that is genius, and your friends and family are also going to be very impressed. By the way, I got these from the Dollar Tree, 2-pack for $1.25. I love it. This is absolutely amazing. All right, what do we typically do if we want to show our loved ones that we love them, or we want to give them a little extra loving surprise? We write them a love note like so, and maybe you stick this on a bathroom mirror or around the house, or you stick it in your kid's lunchbox, or maybe you just leave them a little extra treat because, well, it's fun, and you put it inside there as well, and you say, have a great day. I have something a little bit healthier for you as well. By the way, I run a fitness YouTube channel. In case you're interested, I will link that in the description box below. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your toothpick, and then what you're going to do is write some sort of love note on here, anything that you want to. Have a great day, smooches, love you. And you're just going to go like so, ever so lightly on your banana. You're just going to pierce the skin, and you're going to write out love. Let's do love you. And guess what happens as your banana ripens throughout the day? Something very, very cool. Let me show you. But here's what's also very nice. You give this to your loved one. You say, all right, honey, have a great day. Here's a nice tasty treat, special snack for you because I love you and I want you to be healthy and strong, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and then as the day goes on, I'm not even kidding you, like within an hour or so, just kidding, I did it on this banana about an hour ago. It looks like this. Love you. You have a secret love message. Yes, that is so adorable. You could give this to a friend or a neighbor in a fruit basket, and they're going to say, how in the world did you do that? And you're going to say, check out Andrea Jean's Cleaning and Life Hack channel. Or you certainly can just take the credit. I support that too. By the way, if you want to know why everyone is sticking toothpicks in their butter, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.